Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today it's vlogmas day 5 and we are gonna make a traditional Italian dessert. Actually I think it's more traditional to my local area than everywhere in Italy. But yes, I'm going to the house of a mom's friend that's gonna teach me how to do it. And yes, let's see how this goes. But first, don't forget to subscribe, leave a like and follow me on Instagram. And now let's get going with the video. Wash your hands, kids. So we started off by pouring 500 grams of semolina flour into a bowl. Then about 3 tablespoons of olive oil, and 3 tablespoons of sugar, in this case white sugar. And then we mix all together and add some white wine. The quantities I'm not sure about, so I would say not too much. And this we are preparing pitedda. That's a traditional dessert here in my local area, and they are actually vegan, which I didn't know about until now, and I found it really cool. Then we let them rest for a bit. Here I'm putting on a scrunchie. So now we're using this machine to flat out the dough we just prepared. And I did mess up a lot here, so I left it to the professional after.
Anyways, Merry Christmas.
This machine is really good to make also homemade pasta. I have it at home and my mom uses it a lot. In this case we are using grape jam that my mom's friend homemade.
So offering this sample phrase.
And here we are cutting out the shape for the pitedda.
Although it's been said many times, many ways, Merry Christmas to you.
I can tell you what Christmas is all about.
Although it's been said many times, many ways, Merry Christmas.
That's what Christmas is all about.
subscribe, but I forgot to film an outro for this video. I really hope you enjoyed it. I really had so much fun making it, and please comment down below a traditional recipe or food from your country that's typical during Christmas time. And nothing, I'll see you tomorrow guys for Vlogmas Day 8. Bye!